Hi, my name is Ashley Georgakopoulos. I am the Lactation Director with Motif Medical and an internationally board-certified lactation consultant. Today we're here to talk to you about the latest pump from Motif Medical, the double electric closed system Luna. It's important to thoroughly wash your hands before handling each breast pump component. It's also extremely important to wash your Luna parts after every use. Disassemble each part that comes into contact with breast milk, including the valve, bottle nipple, breast shield, bottle disc, and bottle cover. Rinse each part in cool water to remove milk residue. There are 3 options for washing your pump parts. 1. Separately wash each part in the sink with a soft brush or clean dishcloth. 2. Soak each part in warm soapy water for 5 minutes and thoroughly rinse them. 3. Separate each part and wash them on the top rack of your dishwasher. Dry each part with clean towel and/or allow them to completely air dry on a sanitary surface. Wipe the Luna pump with a dry, clean towel after each use. Store parts after they completely dry in a clean bag or container. Do not store any damp parts. It's important to purchase new parts around every 90 days. Some parts will become stretched, torn, worn out, and more due to pumping milk and being sanitized repeatedly. Over time, residue can build up in the crevices and tubing, leading to possible bacteria and mold buildup.